Ladies and gents, what's going on? It's your boy Lando Sess, man. Hope all is well. It is fun. It feel good to be back where we can talk some stocks. We can talk some crypto. We can get it. We can get things back popping. The moving process has been crazy. Finally starting to get things in order. So the goal is to do these once a day, 5 days out of the week. We will probably have a scheduled time, but since I run multiple channels, everything changes every day. But sooner or later, you will get a live market update video. So the plan is, I don't want to look at the market until I come live with you guys so we get live reactions of what's going on, all that type of good stuff. Probably tomorrow or soon, we will have it where you guys can call in, send some text messages. Whatever questions y'all have, you will have them. And you can do it directly right here. We got Chris in the building. What up, dog? What's popping? It's definitely been a minute. Haven't been able to do this for a while. And I've been building my sports channel. I've been on there like crazy, building that up. And that's doing good enough where I can finally come back over here and give this some love, because at least I produce some great videos where my channel didn't fully die down. I still get views every day from like just view, like you do franchise videos, Shipt shopper videos, stuff like that. Your stuff gonna still always pop off. Lou, what up, though? What's popping, brother? What's going on? I hope all is well. Hope you guys been buying, making money, and been doing good. So the first thing we want to do is look at stock market. I like to wake up, see what's popping. I see Bitcoin is close to under 27,000, but the Dow is green. It's definitely a green day. Look like we up a few hundred points. NASDAQ, everything but crypto, it looks like, is down. We have the airlines is down. It looked like Southwest must just did some earnings or something, because they went down low heavy. And a few of my REITs. Okay, so then I like to go to, let's see what they talking about. Dow rises nearly 200 points. NASDAQ and S&P 500 jump 1%. as investors applaud debt ceiling progress. What are they talking about with debt ceiling progress? Stocks advance on a Thursday after the U.S. House passed a debt ceiling bill in a crucial step to avoid a U.S. default with measurement. U.S. already owe trillions of dollars, and we keep on making money out of nowhere. So I don't know what it is, celebrate or whatever it is. So let's read a little bit into it. Sorry, allergies have been popping some pills, so hopefully by the end of this, we'll be cool. The House passes a debt bill. All right, a bill to raise the debt limit and cap government spending passed by the House by a wide margin late Wednesday, sending the bill to the Senate just days before Monday. To report. Okay, so everybody voted for it. And let's see, that drama moved to the Democratic. So it looked like just a bill. It haven't went all the way through yet. It wasn't an easy fight. I had people on both sides upset, but I think we did pretty good for the American people. I'm to celebrate. Some Republicans was left fuming. Yeah, so we'll have to look more into it, but that looks like the main reason people are smiling. Senate votes to overturn Biden's student loan program. Yeah, once that went in, some people was excited about it. Some people was pissed off. Look like they just can't get it pushed all the way through. What's the update on it? Thanks for the likes. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button, because the way we like to do it when we in here, we want to keep the likes at 50% at all times. We got 100 people in here. We need 50 likes. We got 1,000. We need 500. Keep them things sideways. Lando, are you into day trading? I wanted to get into it. I'm very familiar with day trading. It's number one, you can't have a regular job. You have to be at home looking at a computer all the time. It's not my swag. I like trading crypto futures because it's just more my style. Robinhood, day trading is not too bad. You got a bunch of different options. You just have to turn into a nerd into the market. And I will recommend you need at least $5,000 to really get started, so you can take losses, make mistakes, figure it out. I started with $3,000 when I first started doing it, and I did good. I turned to $10,000. Then I turned it to I took profits, but it zeroed out. So I made money, lost money, but it's not my full-blown cup of tea. Defense spending levels threaten to delay Senate plans to fast-track debt ceiling. We've seen all of that. And let's see what's popping with some crypto. Let's see what's going on in the crypto world. And first, let's look at some prices on CoinMarketCap. So we're over 1 trillion. We barely in the red. It's basically even right now. Even Steven, right at 27,000. And you see in the last day, our height was 27,300 and our low was close to 26,600. So it haven't been going too bad over the last day. The last week, you see crypto or Bitcoin is up 2.5%. The last month down 4%. So Bitcoin haven't been doing bad in the short term right now, because you look back 1 month, your highest was 28,000, and look at your lowest 26 something. So you're right in the middle. This is a low sunken place where it's a lot of money that can be made depending on what you do, and long as you just keep on buying in on good quality stuff. Now, if we look at 1 hour, 24 hours, anybody spiking, we got Cardano down to 36 cents. I know XRP is back over 50 cents. That's been climbing. That's been good. Look at that in last week. You got XRP up big time. So let me know in the comments if you guys have been buying some XRP. I did a video last week showing how you can buy it on Uphold. I just don't like that you can't like control it and send it out to wherever. Look like they have a deal with Ledger only. And this is good because back at 50 cents, this is when I first bought into XRP recently at 50 cents. So after all that time, I'm just now breaking even. I probably bought in XRP like right here, like at the height. And it's just nothing. And we finally back even. That lets you know how cryptocurrency can be, but it's a lot of upside with it because you have a strong community. Doge chilling. You got Matic. Matic is a good price, under 90 cents right now. Solana, close to $20. That's a good lick. So most of crypto is chilling. Hedera, we got Crow is back under 6 cents. People was asking me yesterday under the video, like, what's my thoughts on Crow? Because I was one of the primary people on YouTube promoting and going hard, which I love every single thing they was doing. But a few months ago, I jumped Shipt and took my Crow money and put it into Polygon Matic because I just personally felt long term it's just a smarter play right now, because with the innovation and the utilization that real companies is adopting towards it, it really makes a lot of sense at this point to end up doing it and switching it up. And ever since I did it, you know, I done jumped the Crow ship and it ain't got no better. Because you see the last week down 1%. That's not bad. But in the last month, down 16%. When you have Bitcoin is only down, 4% in the last month. It's down 4 times more than Bitcoin. 2 times, I can see that. 4 times, that is terrible. And you go to the last year, it's becoming a dead project of what they are doing. So they have to do a full rebrand. I think Chris, he played his cards wrong. He played his cards such as, let me make all of this money and give it to big name celebrities and do advertisement and just getting the name out and spending $1 billion on the naming rights of the crypto.com arena. It just wasn't a smart business move we kind of see right now. Could change, but you should have put that money into the people who currently have a crypto.com Visa card, spending money, locking up their Crow. You do that with the rewards, word of mouth of people being satisfied. That will help you out 10 times fold. You know, it really will, in my opinion. Chronos price prediction. ETH whales are ghosting Crow, but what is this? ETH whales ghosting Crow, but buckle up from Crow. From Chronos, crypto.com, native, Referral and Twist wants a Darren top 100 ETH whale in Q1. Crow has been dumped for other altcoins. See, I must be a whale because they know what I done did. For other altcoins in Q2. Evaluating Crow price prediction is crucial. At a peak of Q1 bullish moments, Crow among the top 10 tokens held by the top 100 ETH whales. However, according to whale stats, interest dropped in Q2 with Crow ranking number 36 among top ETH whales holding during the precedent sign. With this sharp U-turn among whales, how do Q2 and 2023? I'll stick with that. Zooming out of the daily charts. So we just basically did the exact same thing and seen it. It ain't looking too good. Everybody that's new in here, what's popping? Hope all is well. Market's just better to buy and hold. Yeah, it's better just to buy and hold. Now, you can trade when you see good plays. Like me, I'm more of a trader that see a good play and literally within 30 days, I'm going to buy and I'm going to do call options. Something I see was popping, like see if I had a hinge, if I was into it and I had a hinge about NVIDIA, and NVIDIA price just went nuts. Like, just imagine. Now, I own NVIDIA stock, but imagine if you was holding NVIDIA, literally, you say, all right, man, I'm about to do May 1st to June 1st. All right, look, I'm about to do literally a call option. The price is at $289. We'll say they have earnings right here, whatever it is. You're like, man, I believe the price is going to go over $300. Let me put $2,000 into it. And it expire on June 1st. And you're like, okay, getting closer to the end of the month. And bam. Once you seen this, your $2,000 probably just turned into damn near $30,000 off of a jump, off a move this big. And it's like, okay, is it going to go higher? Is it going to go lower? And it's like, okay, once it hit $400, because off of the fear of loss and people want to get in, that's when you sell. So boom, once it hit 400, I would have completely sold, made $30K in profit, and wait for it to fall back down, or buy a put, or what I would probably do is hedge my stuff. Meaning, so let's say I did a $2,000 gamble, made $30,000 on it, right? What I will personally do is take probably $5,000 and just have fun. Okay, I made me have $5,000 out of that. We got 25,000 left. I will take probably 10,000 of it and buy just NVIDIA stock. Like, literally, it's like, yep, you just made me this money, so instead of me doing call options, let me buy NVIDIA stock. Say we bought it at 400. So let's say we bought it at the high, 410. And the last thing I would do is literally do a $5,000 or however much put option. Basically saying, okay, from June 1st until August 1st, July. From June 1st to July 1st, I'm saying the price is going to go from $410 back down to $380. And more than likely will happen like that. And now that $5,000 will probably turn into $8 or whatever the price it is. That's how I would do call options and plays, because that make the most sense, where you can kind of read the market safely and try to get some good ones. So pissed at Coinbase for taking Gala game off. Think they're relisted. Anything is possible. You know, it's dumb when they did it, because it's like, I remember you hit me up. And was you able to take it and move it? Was you able to move that money anywhere else? And let me know if you did, because for those that don't know, Coinbase ended up delisting it and taking it off. And they like, hey, you guys, you got until June 1st or whatever date to move it somewhere. And the problem Chris was having was, Gala, since you can't have it in a regular wallet, it is in a, what do they call it? Is it a V2? It's in something different where you just can't trade it and send it to a different wallet easy. Building my bag of ADA at 35 cents. Love ADA. Trucking with Mr. Hood Chef. What's going on, dog? What's been popping? Hope all is well. Fire. Haven't heard from you in a while. We've been grinding. Hope you've been doing okay. And if you guys are not signed up with Moomoo is in the building. Shout out to them. If you're going to get your stocks anywhere, make sure you get them over there. I see Homo Foods, Macy's releasing earnings. Okay. Headlines. We read that. China Tech's Giants Q1 earnings. Li Auto are in the spotlight. I did have Li Auto for a second, but I was more of an Xpeng person when it looked like out of the three, Li Auto, Xpeng, and Neo. I like Li Auto the most. Alibaba, 9-year net income. Who's making some good money beyond open AI? It's crazy. Everybody is just into AI. Putting all money into that. I will avoid too many of those. Like, same thing. I would just only do 30 to 90 day plays with AI because everybody is searching for the next best thing. So your best thing can be good today and be gone tomorrow real quick. Who are the main movers today? Lucid. I haven't seen Lucid in a while. Target. Y'all see Target price was getting hit over the head. And they had that controversy stuff of having like the LBGT stuff posted, and their stock took a big beating, like a massive, like look at that, massive beating, and still going down. I made money with I made good money with Target. I haven't been buying back. Good thing I ain't in on them now. I don't think anything should change too much. This could be a good buying opportunity, but I haven't done enough research to look into it and be able to give a educated guess with it. Target is getting hit hard. Now student loan repayments are threatening the stock. Target stock could fall further when student loan repayments start up again. Why is that? Millenniums, a company exposed. Student loan payments has been put on hold. Biden is just gonna keep on deferring it. Everybody that gets student loan stuff just been deferring it since they damn near graduated. So nobody ain't really stunned that. Netflix is popping off right now. Change up 9%. Meta. Remember when Meta was crashing? That was a good move if you got in when Meta was going down. Coinbase is having some good gains today. Why is Netflix popping off like this? Verizon intro first bundle that combines Netflix Paramount. That's why. Good deal. So I have Verizon. Let me read this. Intro first. Okay, so Netflix Paramount with showtimes for a discounted price. I don't want to pay for it. I want it free. The limited time deal due to the subscription offer the price of $26 a month for all of that, plus showtimes. Let's see. So how much is Netflix? What, $15 a month now? Paramount, don't have Paramount. Showtime, $6. Oh, I don't know. I wouldn't do it, but it sucks because you just have so many different platforms and stuff. It used to be good where you can just turn on cable and have everything. Now I pay like so much money for just this app to do that, and that app to do this, and this app to do that, and completely be all over the place. See what's going on in the crypto world. Are U.S. regulations the reason behind the crypto trading volume drop? That is interesting. That's interesting to see. And I don't necessarily think so. I just don't think it's no excitement right now. It's nothing driving people to put heavy money into crypto right now. Crypto trading volumes dropped significantly on crypto exchanges, referred to the total number of digital assets bought and sold. It is the most common metric for assessing an exchange size and popularity. And in both cases, the general trend for this year is downward. Experts generally point to regulation action in the U.S. as one key explanation. However, there is no consensus U.S. regulations to blame. Uncertainty about regulation, the economy, and about access to funding through banks. That uncertainty is driving a lot of major players offshore, particularly to international crypto hubs like UAE and Hong Kong, which may be why. So it's like maybe why. We don't technically know. I don't think that's the deal, but I could be wrong. right there. Bitcoin is much better than JP stock. I agree. Paxos Bitcoin explosive surge may come after this happens. What did I say? I said July, August, end of July, beginning of August is when I think the next surge and pump will probably happen. See, express a bullish outlook. However, during rates declines, the cryptocurrency has historically performed well. Meanwhile, okay, ain't talking about nothing. Terra Classic upgrade their VNet. Thanks for the like, whoever in here. Hit the like button. Appreciate it. So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing. Daily stuff so we can talk, we can vibe. You guys can ask questions. We can look at the market, see what's going on, see is there opportunity to buy certain crypto, certain things, not opportunity to buy, and see what's popping. Let's see, XRP security clause, controversy, Spark. I seen something with crypto.com. It looked like you can shop in the app with Nike and other main retailers. We can look into that on Twitter. Go to Lando. Justin, where is crypto.com? Head of derivatives till first about, okay.
North America. Travis, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you so much for having me.
Pleasure. Now, before we get started, just a quick note to our viewers. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Travis, tell me, when did Crypto.com enter the U.S. listed derivative market?
So Crypto.com actually entered the market in North America through an acquisition. So I previously ran what was called the North American Derivatives Exchange, or NADEX for short. And we've been in the traditional finance space, or TradFi, with your traditional underlying TradFi products for the better part of 15 years. So we are a CFTC regulated exchange, much in the same way that your parent company ICE is, or the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. But the way that they're designed also, it allows that retail user to speculate on the direction of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Those are the two contracts that we have at this point in time, whether that's...
It's like the idea is amazing. Their execution get an F. It's like literally you're going to lose your money immediately because you don't have no options to do anything. It ain't smart if you ask me. Ain't the smartest. License, okay, DeFi. New listings. Where are we? Is it right here? Can't fully find it. Can't find it. Let's look at... Oh, CoffeeZilla then dropped something. We haven't heard from him in a while. Gotta watch that. He's been MIA. What's popping over here? Stocks trading green. Okay. Disney stuff we just talked about. Let's check this out.
Well, artificial intelligence software developer C3 AI reported its fourth quarter earnings after the bell on Wednesday. Despite beating expectations on the top and bottom lines, shares are plummeting, down about 12% at the moment. That's after the company's full-year revenue outlook came in shy of Wall Street estimates. Yahoo Finance's tech editor Dan Howley is here to weigh in on that. So Dan, what stood out to you most in the company's quarterly earnings?
Yeah, I think, look, they beat on the top and bottom line. It's really got to do with the guidance going forward. And, you know, I think that people are looking at NVIDIA, how they really kind of blew up with their forward-looking guidance for the next quarter and the year, and said, well, then every company's got to blow up like that if they're dealing with AI. And I think, you know, when you look at what C3 AI said. They said 2024.
And it's exactly what I said. You have to be careful when you get into the AI realm of investing in companies, because one week you're gonna do great, next week is gonna be the next hot thing, and you're gonna mess around and lose a lot of money doing that. So I don't like it. Shout out to everybody that's in here. When do you think we will see rate pauses, and would that be good for the market? No time soon. They're going to keep on spiking it up probably the rest of this year. And towards the end of the year, that's when things will probably start calming down. And yes, it's 100% good when you stop raising interest rates, because higher interest rates mess everything up. It ain't good for us overall, to be honest. Do you think buying more Bitcoin now at this high rate and holding will be good? The reason why I keep missing is buying low and holding, and I keep buying high. That is a amazing question, because this is the average buyer. The average buyer buys when everything is exciting. So if we go to Bitcoin and give me some data, and you look in the last year, the average person is when Bitcoin go from 19,000 up to 24, this is quote unquote an opportunity. So the average person is going to buy in right here because everybody is saying it's about to go to 30,000. You buy in at 24, and the day you buy in, that shit go all the way back down to 20,000. And now everybody's talking about it's about to go down to 10. So you sell. You lost money. You see it went back up and you're like, man, I shouldn't have sold. Let me buy in again. And you buy in again and it drop again. And you like, look, I'm not scared. I'm not about to just sell this time. And then this happened. And you see it drop all the way down to 15,000. And you're like, yeah, let me sell and just leave this stuff alone. And you watch all of this and you like, damn, I literally could have doubled my money if I would have just bought in or whatever it is. So, and left it alone. So to answer your question, the best time to buy Bitcoin is number one, when everything is boring. Right now, crypto is boring. Nothing is happening. It's trading sideways. Amazing time to buy in right now. When everybody is fearful and it's going and it's crashing like that, great time to buy in. Because what you have to do is, when you buy in here and you lose money, you know another spike is going to happen. So you just like, okay. Hey, hold on. You calling. Call you back. You know another spike is going to happen. So what you just doing is waiting for that next crash, buy in again. So now you bought in at 24,000, and then you bought in at 15,000, 16,000. You bought in at 18,000. And when we back up to 26, you up from right here, and now you can start selling and taking profits, because I'm a firm believer of taking profits. Yeah, it's like, yeah, buy and hold forever. That's not fun. You want to buy and make money, spend the money and hold certain stuff. But that's how I will recommend doing it. Jimmy, what's popping? I am currently dollar cost averaging into DPST. ETF is a 3-time leverage on a regional banks. Oh, DPST. Let's check that out. Let's check them out. DTSP. DTSP ETF. Where you buying that at? You must be buying that through a big bank. I mean, a big what you call it, like a Merrill Lynch or Vanguard or something. Okay. DSP. Did I say it right? DPST. Okay, there we go. I just did the shit wrong. That's on me. I just did it wrong. Okay. Daily regional banks bull 3 times shares. So if we look in the last month, sideways, this year is down. So why are you doing this? Let's see, DTSP. I wish I could see it over on here. Let's see if I can see it on Moomoo. Yeah, it's limited. DPSC. I don't know why I keep on doing it wrong. DPST. There we go. Let's see. I don't see, unless it's an inverse and you're going to make money as it go down. Is this an inverse one? I don't see the benefit of being in there. 300 shares into that, bought by capital management, bought a new position. It's like something you'll have to buy in if you had big money, because it don't look worth it enough to me. Okay, you got it on Moomoo. Yeah, I don't know. I like some inverse stuff. 9%. But the market looking like it's going to stay fairly green. Bitcoin is under today. And good. So what we're going to be doing is taking calls. So some days we are live. We will be taking calls, answering questions, whatever questions y'all have. We can talk all type of finance, fun stuff, crypto stocks, let you guys know exactly what I'm buying, why I'm buying, different type of game, plan, game. All-time high was 146. Good stuff. So I'm back. We gonna have some fun. We gonna make some money. All type of good content. And we gone until tomorrow, or unless I drop a different video about something different. Let's get it. Make sure you sign up for Moomoo.